What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan, and I am so excited to be able to share with you guys that I launched the community. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down what is exactly in the community, what you guys could be expecting, and how this will ultimately benefit you guys wanting to scale past $20,000 per month. And if we've not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan. I've sold over $750,000 of life insurance premium all over the phone. For receipts, for bank statements, I actually have a video down below. Just click that link. It's like how I scaled my business past 73K in under 60 days if you want the proof and evidence. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, like, I've been working on this. We got a whole team working on this to be able to make this happen for you guys so you guys can scale your life insurance business much faster, much quicker, with less time, less energy, and more importantly, that you can actually spend time with your family, spend time with the people that you love, spend time like actually enjoying life, that you can make more money and feel more fulfilled, feel greater impact, make more money and profit in your business. That's what the community is all about, and that's why it was created. So brief backstory. So I've been an agent. I am an agent still, and I launched the community because I wanted to be able to help like-minded entrepreneurs like me and people like me in my position a year and a half ago now. And at that point, if you guys don't know my story, I have a whole video going way more like deeper into that. But just a brief synopsis of my story is like, I went from buying leads. I was sold the dream. Like, I wanted to make a ton of money in the industry, recruited a bunch of people, probably stuff that you're doing right now, and straight just got burnt out. Like, and it got so bad that I remember my wife coming to me and she's like, I think that it might be time to get a part-time job. And at this point, it's like, imagine this, where I'm sitting on Zoom with agents. I'm asked to speak to these agencies, 50, 100, 200 people on Zoom, about how I'm doing what I'm doing and how I'm seeing success. And it's like, dude, I'm going broke. And that's when it was really tough, when she was like, hey, I think it'd be best if you get a part-time job or full-time, and you do this on the side. And once this really takes off, then really move forward. And that was really hard because, like, as a man, I was just like, oh my gosh, like it wasn't fun to hear, but it's what I needed to hear. And that's what lit me on fire to be like, I'm going to figure this business out. Because at this point, I was like, maybe I should go into pest control. Maybe I should go into real estate. Maybe I should pretty much niche hop, and I should go into a different niche or different industry. And I almost quit. Like, literally, I almost failed out of the industry. And at this point, I was like, I have to try one more time. And that led me from buying leads. And I mean, I remember like that same week that my wife asked me like, hey, I think you should get a part-time job. Like, what do you think? I literally like tripled down on lead spend. And that point, I saw everything moving forward in the right direction. I saw like, okay, I tracked all my numbers. I looked at all the data and said, okay, what do I need to do so I can scale? And what lead source am I getting the best return on? So what happened was, I was like, okay, I had 3 vendors at that time, shut 2 of them off, and went all into one. So I was spending about $1,000 a week with this one. But I was like, I'm going all in based on everything I said. If I do this, then I'll be able to net $25,000 in income after leads costs, after like the full 30-day commissions, so on and so forth. What I ended up doing is I spent $3,000 that week, and I made back about $2,500 over 2 weeks. And I was like, I way over leveraged myself. And you're probably in the same situation now, where you just bought a set of leads right now or a couple days ago. And one bad week can literally put you out because of how much you're leveraging your money, like how much you're pouring into the investment, right? Because you believe that you need to invest in yourself, invest in your business, but you're over leveraging, overextending. And it's just like, yeah, there are bad batches of leads, but like, dude, how much longer are you going to do that? That's what I was asking myself. And you might be thinking the same exact thing. Like, dude, is it going to be like this forever? Is this an endless cycle? There has to be another way. And that's what led me to start generating my own leads. That's when I was like, okay, I had $500 in my bank account at this time going into January 2022 or 2023. And I'm like, all right, let's do this thing. Let's turn ads on and let's make it happen. Ended up $200 in, made a sale. I didn't even get paid on it, but I was like, this is proof of concept that this works, and I'm getting leads at like $1 to $2 a piece. So if I do this, I can scale. What ended up happening after that happened, that was like mid-January. The next 4 weeks, I ended up profiting over $5,000 per week. So I ended up making $20,000 in net income. Spent $1,200 on leads to be able to make back $23,000. And so I netted like $21,000. So then from there, did it again. Boom, another 20. And then I was like, you know what? March, we're going for this. Ended up doing $42,000 in commissions. Spent $6,000 to do that, and so on and so forth. And that was history. And then that's what led me to do 73K in 60 days. And so I share all that to say, I don't know what situation you're in now, right? There's a few categories that you might fall into right now. Either you're generating your own leads right now and you're not making money and not getting the lead flow that you think you need. Second thing is that you're buying leads right now, but you're over leveraging and you're going broke, and you're using the money that you made from the last batch of leads to just fund your new set of leads. So it's a hamster wheel, and you're on this hamster wheel that's going on and on and on, that you spend, you put money in, you get some back. If you do get some back, then you're using that money to leverage for your next set of leads. And it's just this cycle that it's just robbing Peter to pay Paul. Like, it's just, okay, I'm making money. Hopefully I have enough so I can invest back $1,000 this week. And it's just cycle over and over and over and over again, and you're stuck. Or the third thing is that you are doing that. Maybe you're making some money, but you're like, dude, I'm not getting the lead flow that I need. I need more leads. Well, that's why I created the community, because it's all about like-minded agents that are wanting to scale with their own lead source, so you can take full control, and you could never buy from a vendor again. You can literally put that away and cut out the margin. You can stop doing that, and you can not make all these lead vendors millionaires, but you can make yourself rich by cutting out the middleman and just being able to put all the money back into ads for you, your family, and your future. Your hard-earned money is going towards ads, so you just pay the ad costs, and you're able to generate your own leads, and you have full control and full autonomy of your lead source. Because right now you probably have gone 1, 2, maybe even 3, 5 lead vendors, and what happens is you see it's working, it's awesome, it's great. You buy a couple lead batches, and all of a sudden that 3rd, 4th, 5th batch comes in, and boom, you just get hit with a bad set of leads. And that's the week that you actually doubled down. I went through this. I know what you're going through right now. And so that's why I created the community, so you have full control and full power over your business. You're not having to rely on other people to be able to feed your family at the end of the day. Because the reality is, if you're still buying leads, you don't really have full control of your business. That's just reality. So you're giving somebody else the biggest part of your business. So the reason why I started the community, because I fully believe that you need to control and own your lead source. I fully believe that if you generate your leads, if you have really good marketing, your sales will be there. Your sales will be locked in. You will make so much more money than you would buying leads. So, and because you're able to control the quality at the end of the day. And what's cool is that there's hyper accountability, because it's you. You're the one generating the leads, so there's nobody else to blame besides you. And that's what actually leads the people that I've worked with to have the success that they have, right? So what's cool about in the community, I mean, Max, Chase, Gonzalo, like people, I mean, Max, he dropped $950 on ads in 5 days. He ended up doing $19.1 thousand back, right? And that's the power of owning your lead source, right? Gonzalo does like close to a $5,000 day yesterday. That's like the 3rd or 4th time he's done it, right? Chase, same thing. He hits $10,000 in a week, when before his biggest month was $5,000. So it's like, this thing works. It just works, because if you own your lead source, that's it, right? But on top of that, like, I'm actually going to be training you and showing you exactly step by step by step, how do you sell? How do you overcome objections? How do you make it so effortless that it's just like you're speaking with another person, you're speaking with a friend. It doesn't take a lot of energy for you to be able to do that. So that's what we're doing in the communities. We got objection training, we got live dial rooms, we have like camaraderie. Like, that's what's cool about the communities. We have people all together. Like, it's a telesales community, the best of the best, right? You're not going to rise to your potential. You're going to fall to your standards. And that's what I love the most. And I've gotten the best feedback. Like, Chase was like, dude, I came for leads, and I'm staying because of the community. I mean, that's the reality. Like, you get to be around like-minded people like you that are wanting to scale to that next level, that have already done it, that you want to push to 40, 50, 60, whatever that looks like, we have the agents that are doing that right now. And people coming in like Brooke, when after 20 hours of her coming into the community, she makes her first self-generated sale when she was door knocking before, and she still does sometimes, not because she has to, because of choice. She's able to do and have the freedom that she has, which is really, 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 really cool. And she did like close to $6,000 the other day. So it's a group of killers. Like if you're a killer and you are wanting to take your business to the next level just by having other people around you, right? And you don't feel like you fit in with your agency, we work with all agencies, right? We work with all agencies, whether you're with World Financial Group, Primerica, WFG, AIL, Symmetry, UGI, like whatever place you're at, whatever agency you are with, the community will be for you. Like we're the contracts, we don't care about that. Like we don't care about that. That's what the community is for. Like we're here that you stay with your IMO, you stay with your agency, and we help you scale to the next level in your business. We give you all the tools and resources so that you can. So you have the community, right? The community where you're really growing together. There's leaderboards. There's people that are wanting to go to that next level, and you're able to pick their brain. And we have trainings weekly. We're doing live dial rooms. We're doing prize giveaways. We're doing in-person events later this year. Like all that is part of the community, so you can get around like-minded individuals, so you can increase your skill, increase the way you think, increase what you actually are able to do, and also have outside accountability so you can scale to that next level. Plus you have access to my course. I haven't even talked about that, but I have tons of course modules, hours on sales, marketing, running a profitable business, all that included in the community as well. And then on top of that, sales training, like we are coaching you daily so that you can become a top producer, so that you can start living having the business of your dreams at the end of the day. That's what the community was built for, so that you can scale to that next level, that it's not just a fantasy anymore, that you don't have to push back any longer. Like you don't have to push back the dreams, the goals, the visions that you've had for your life. You don't have to push the freedom back, or freedom of choice, right? You can travel wherever you want and be able to work virtually, having all the tools, resources, so that you can scale to that next level. And that's what we have inside the community. And so tons of sales training, hands-on role playing. We're doing role plays like every single day this week. And that's what's really cool, is we're really scaling agents to that next level that maybe you don't even think is possible yet. But that's what people are doing now, going from zero. Like Devin, he came to us with zero sales experience. All of a sudden, dude closes 2 deals yesterday in a day. Imagine being able to close 2 deals a day. That's what he's done. He's done that twice now, and he never sold anything before. He came straight out of the Army, straight here. So that's what we help agents with, is help them scale to that next level. And then on top of that, giving you the principles so that you can grow and scale your life insurance business, right? Because we believe in the theory of constraints. You probably listen to Alex Hormozy, or if you don't know who he is, he talks about this concept a lot, that your business is not growing because there's a constraint in your business. We unbunk like the myths and the secrets so you can unlock that next constraint so you can scale up to the next level, right? Because business is all about a problem to be solved. And that's what we do here in the community. So that's why we built it. It's for fun. It's for enjoyment. It's for fulfillment. Being able to see people's lives genuinely changed, seeing Austin, Max, Gonzalo, Chase, Brooke, like the list goes on, Nancy, the list goes on, Devin, like the list goes on and on of people that are coming in, striving, succeeding, winning. We want you to win with us, because the reality is that's why we're doing this, right? Business, if you're just doing it and you're doing it in vain, it's not sustainable. So if you're doing it and there's fun, that you're enjoying yourself, you're actually enjoying the people that you're doing it with, that's what it's all about. So I just wanted to announce and let you guys know that the community is live, that we already have people that are coming in. We actually have a wait list right now. And then if you want to secure a spot and actually talk with me one-on-one, how we like to see if it's a fit for you and if you actually would be able to thrive inside the program, because I'm not taking everybody. Like I genuinely am not. And I say that with like everything, because there's people that have come to me like, dude, let me just pay you to get in. And I'm like, dude, you're not a fit. Like we have the best testimonials. We have the best results in the industry because we don't take everybody. Just because you have money doesn't mean you qualify. Like there's a strict application process that you and I will talk through one-on-one. If it's a fit, you're going to be in the community. You're going to be getting coached by me personally so that you can scale to that next level. So that $20,000 mark is not just a dream, but it actually becomes a reality. So click the link down below. It's an application to book a call with me so that you can take your next steps, so you can have that freedom ultimately that you've been looking for. We would love to have you part of the community because we're growing rapidly. We're scaling. We are helping tons of agents just like you get off the lead hamster wheel, have the freedom that you got into this business for, and unlock, like, get off the chains. Get off the chains of the slavery that you might feel from this business so you're able to really live the life of your dreams. Can't wait to see you guys inside the community. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.